What we're going to do now is we're going to write the equation of a line given some information about that line. So this first one, they've given us m, which is the slope again, and they've said that f of 0 is 7. Now, what they've done, they've given us the slope, and remember, the value of y when x is 0, that's the y-intercept. This is saying our point is 0, 7. This is our y-intercept. Well, what we're going to want to do here is if they give us the slope and the intercept, we should use slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. So all we do is we fill in our m, we fill in our b. Y equals 3x plus 7. I'm going to do little half beats because that's pretty easy, okay? This is the ideal situation. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're given a slope and a point that is on this line. So if we have a point and a slope, we need to use point-slope form, okay? So we've got y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So we fill in the y from our point, which is 5. You'll notice we don't fill in this y, okay? That's not, that's supposed to stay a variable. Equals m is negative 2/3, x minus our x, which is 2. All right, and now we just do a little algebra. So y minus 5 equals negative 2/3. Negative 2/3 times negative 2 is positive 4/3. Okay, remember this is just over 1. Okay, so multiply the top, multiply the bottom. Almost there, we almost have y by itself. So we are going to add 5. Okay, remember 5 would be 15/3. So that's going to be 19/3. So that is our equation that fits these conditions right here. Now we're going to do the same thing, except for now they've only given us 2 points. Well, that's not slope-intercept. That's not point-slope. It's 2 points. What do we do? Well, we can find the slope, and then we'll have a point and a slope. So our first step here is going to be to find the slope. So our change in y is negative 3 minus 5. So that's going to be negative 8. We've decreased by 8. Our change in x is plus 2. Okay, 5 minus 3 is 2. So our slope is negative 4. Okay, so our slope is negative 4. So we have a slope now. Now all we need is a point. But Mr. McClung, we have 2 points. What are we going to do? Well, you just pick one. Doesn't matter. You pick this guy. So y minus our y1 slope times x minus our x1. It doesn't matter what point you pick, but if you use this for the y, you need to use this for the x, otherwise it doesn't work. So y plus 3 equals negative 4x plus 20 minus 3. Y equals negative 4x plus 17. Excuse my poor handwriting, but let's back this up. If they give you a slope and an intercept, you use slope-intercept form. If they give you a slope and a point, you use point-slope form. If they give you 2 points, You find the slope, and then you use point-slope form by just picking a point. So that's how you find these lines given this information.